You've given yourself 6 to 12 months, the time frame where you sacrifice everything in your life to work on this business. No gym, no family, no Sunday barbecues with those friends who work normal 9-to-5 jobs and get the clock out guilt-free. At this rate, you can hit all of your business goals, but only if you become an esteemed graphic designer, sales copywriter, email whiz, social media extraordinaire, and Oprah-level video personality overnight. Okay, stay with me here. You might laugh when I tell you the answer to 90% of these problems is robots. Will Smith or Megan Fox might come to mind, but let's put a pin on world domination and artificial intelligence turning on us to end the human race and all that, at least for now, okay? I'm Aaron Morin from Thinkific, the best tool to help you start and grow your digital education business with. And in this video, we're gonna be covering the top robots, AI-powered tools that you should be using to make running your business easier. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button on our channel. We're always bringing incredible guides and tutorials just like this one, and we wouldn't want you to miss any of them. Okay, let's get into it. Here are the 7 AI tools to save time and boost revenue in 2023. Tool number 1 is Notion AI. You know that feeling when you're staring at a blank page, desperately trying to come up with a brilliant idea for anything? You're jumping back and forth between your messy notes and separate workplaces, trying to make sense of it all, and it's a productivity nightmare. Let's not even talk about the dreaded writer's block that hits you at the worst possible times. But fear not, my friend, because Notion AI is here to save the day. This incredible tool is like having an ultra-capable teammate who can brainstorm, write, and even handle project management tasks right inside your familiar workspace. Summarizing important information and action points from your jumbled notes is pure agony. Notion AI has your back with lightning-fast brainstorming summaries in 30 seconds instead of staring blankly at a blinking cursor. It's like having a one-click photo editor for your words. And hey, if you're struggling with that first course or project draft, let Notion AI handle it while you sip on your favorite beverage. Think bigger, conquer writer's block, and let that creativity soar. All right, let's move on to tool number 2. Are you ready to supercharge your content creation game? Jasper AI is an incredible assistant and your new best friend for maximizing your output and staying consistent with your content marketing. Jasper AI is here to rescue you from this content creation abyss. The genius tool will help you generate content ideas faster than you can say creativity explosion. Whether you need social media captions, catchy video scripts, or engaging text, Jasper AI has your back. And that's not all. It can even assist you in crafting blog posts, ad copy, subject lines, catchy product descriptions, and sales pages, the whole shebang. It'll whip your words into shape to craft compelling copy that sells like hotcakes. Tool 3 is Education Copilot. If you're a course creator, you know that lesson planning can sometimes feel like solving a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. But let's be real, creating comprehensive lesson plans and informative handouts can be a daunting task, and the pressure to deliver quality can be overwhelming, leaving you questioning your sanity. With Education Copilot, your secret weapon, the days of painstaking lesson planning is over. This incredible tool will help you streamline your planning and prep process, saving your precious time and energy. Just imagine having AI-generated templates for lesson plans, writing prompts, educational handouts, student reports, and project outlines at your fingertips. It's your all-in-one companion for creating top-notch educational materials in a fraction of the time. Let's dive into tool number 4, PrepAI, the test assessment AI. Crafting tailored assessments for your curriculum and every student based on their learning path can be an impossible feat. PrepAI is here to be your knight in shining armor. No more human bias or judgment errors, just a seamless test creation process backed by advanced AI algorithms. PrepAI takes the complexity out of your test assessment, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, delivering exceptional content to your students. Now let's turn our attention to Contlo, the AI marketing platform that's about to revolutionize how you create and optimize your campaigns. Grabbing an audience's attention is hard, but then taking a look at all of the analytics based on all of your multiple marketing channel strategies, it's enough to make your head spin. But it's okay, we'll save you from this marketing madness, or Contlo will. The powerful platform not only helps you create compelling content, but also offers SEO optimization features to boost your visibility in search engine results. With Contlo, you can drive customer retention through personalized campaigns and automated customer journeys, and you can do that over email, text, WhatsApp, anything out there. No more manual audience management if Contlo's AI has anything to do with it. It even helps with your data by analyzing it for you and giving you the insights to help you work better. It's like having a marketing guru by your side, guiding you through every step of the way. Besides your friends here at Thinkific, of course. Tool number 6 is Lumen 5. This genius AI video generator takes your course content and magically transforms it into captivating visual stories. If you don't have the technical skills or resources, creating compelling videos can be a daunting task. It's not exactly a recipe for success. Lumen 5 uses AI to analyze your text-based content and automatically generates stunning videos. Tool number 7 is, of course, the Thinkific Analytics feature. Thinkific Analytics is the ultimate sidekick feature for course creators who want to unlock the power of data-driven decision-making. Understanding data analytics can feel like decoding ancient hieroglyphics, but with Thinkific Analytics, your data and reports become much clearer. It's like having a personal data scientist at your disposal, crunching the numbers and visualizing them in a way that even a math challenge course creator can totally understand. You can track student engagement, identify trends, measure completion, see how your videos are doing, and that will all help you make better decisions about your course content. No more data overwhelm. You're going to be a data-driven course creator in no time. And there you have it, a lineup of 7 AI tools that are going to help you become a better creator educator. But wait, the adventure does not end here, my ambitious friends. If you're hungry for more AI-powered greatness, I've got 2 irresistible treats for you. First up, we have 70+ customizable ChatGPT prompts that you can use today that will guide you through the course creation process effortlessly. And that's not all. We're also going to give you Thinkific's AI report for creators. This resource is packed with insights, trends, and strategies that are going to help you navigate the ever-changing landscape of AI. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content that will help you thrive as a creator educator. If you're looking to get started, go to thinkific.com to sign up for free today.